Build muscle after 70. This protein works better than eggs. You're about to hear the incredible story of an 88-year-old man who, just 10 weeks ago, could barely get out of his chair. And now, he's walking briskly around the park every morning. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. This transformation didn't happen because he ate more eggs, which most people think are the ultimate muscle-building food. No, this man made a shift to a different kind of protein. And guess what? These proteins don't just help with muscle maintenance, they actually strengthen your muscles in a way eggs can't even come close to. Now, this may sound unbelievable, but his muscle protein synthesis rate increased to almost the same level as someone 25 years younger, all thanks to a change in diet. The key wasn't more protein, it was better protein. Proteins that contain special biological compounds that eggs just don't offer. In this video, I'm going to share 6 proteins that are scientifically proven to be even more powerful than eggs at rebuilding and strengthening muscle as you age. These proteins not only help prevent muscle loss, but actually revitalize your muscles, making them stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to fight the aging process. So stick with me till the end because I'm about to reveal a protein so extraordinary that the name itself sounds like it's from a horror movie. But don't worry, it's not what it sounds like. It's something that could change your muscle health forever. All right, let's dive in. Number 6, lentils. When you think protein, you probably think of steak, chicken, or eggs. But plant-based protein, it's often overlooked, especially by seniors. Many believe that plant proteins are too weak to build muscle. But here's the truth. Lentils are here to challenge that assumption. For just about 50 cents a cooked cup, lentils pack a punch with 18 grams of protein. But it gets even better. Lentils are loaded with fiber, 16 grams per cup, which nourishes your gut bacteria and creates butyrate, a compound that reduces inflammation in muscles, sharpens insulin response, and helps your body use protein more effectively. Researchers call this the gut-muscle axis. And studies show that a healthy microbiome can raise muscle protein synthesis by up to 30%. That's why, in the blue zones, regions where people live to 100 and stay active well into their 90s, lentils and other legumes are daily staples. Lentils also have resistant starch, which acts like fiber, balancing blood sugar, keeping you full longer, and increasing the thermic effect of protein. This means your body burns extra calories during digestion, helping you gain lean muscle while reducing fat. And the benefits don't stop there. Lentils are a goldmine of folate, iron, and potassium, all of which are crucial for muscle strength, blood flow, and muscle repair. On top of that, lentils contain lysine, an amino acid that supports collagen production and repairs damaged muscle tissue. They're also incredibly versatile, quick to cook, and come in various forms: red lentils, green lentils, and black beluga lentils. All of them are packed with muscle-protecting antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Lentils are affordable, easy to prepare, and carry a huge nutritional punch. They're not just another protein source. They're a powerful tool in your muscle-building arsenal. Before we jump into the next muscle-boosting proteins, let me know where you're watching from. Drop a comment below. Your feedback means the world to me and helps this channel grow. And if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It's a small action, but it makes a huge difference in getting this message out to those who need it. Number 5, hemp seeds. You might not think of hemp seeds when considering muscle food, but these tiny seeds are packed with protein and fats that are perfect for seniors looking to build muscle after 70. 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, costing less than your morning coffee, provide 10 grams of complete protein. But it's not just the protein that makes hemp seeds stand out. The fat profile of hemp seeds is what makes them exceptional. They contain the perfect ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, helping reduce inflammation and nourish muscle tissue. Hemp seeds also contain GLA, gamma-linolenic acid, a rare fat that directly calms muscle inflammation and speeds up recovery. Studies show that GLA can cut post-exercise soreness in older adults by up to 40%, allowing muscles to recover faster and more efficiently. Another important component of hemp seeds is arginine, an amino acid that increases blood flow by widening blood vessels. This is important because as we age, circulation slows down, making recovery harder. Arginine not only restores blood flow, but also stimulates growth hormone release, which naturally declines as we get older. On top of all that, hemp seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that's crucial for muscle function and is often deficient in older adults. Magnesium activates vitamin D, which helps strengthen muscles and aids in protein absorption. These seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or just snack on them straight. No cooking needed, just pure muscle-boosting goodness in every bite. Number 4. Wild salmon. If you want a protein that not only builds muscle but protects it, wild salmon is your answer. Packed with 22 grams of premium protein, wild salmon's true magic comes from its high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which act like lubricants for aging muscle fibers. As we age, muscle tissue begins to break down due to inflammation, and while eggs provide protein, they can't stop this erosion. Omega-3s, however, do. They weave themselves into muscle cell membranes, keeping them flexible and responsive to growth signals. They also activate mTOR, the master regulator of protein synthesis, while reducing inflammation-causing molecules like TNF-alpha and IL-6. What's more, wild salmon is loaded with vitamin D, which is essential for muscle strength. One serving of wild salmon can give you about 1,000 IU of vitamin D, which has been shown to boost muscle strength by up to 20%. Plus, it contains astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative stress, improving endurance and reducing fatigue. Salmon also provides a healthy dose of selenium, which aids in muscle recovery by supporting the production of a powerful antioxidant enzyme. And let's not forget the creatine content. Wild salmon contains about 1 gram of creatine per serving, which boosts muscle contraction strength and enhances performance during exercise. Wild-caught Alaskan salmon is your gold standard here, offering the highest levels of omega-3s, vitamin D, and antioxidants. A healthy, muscle-boosting powerhouse. Number 3, whey protein. If there's one protein supplement that can help people over 70 gain muscle faster than eggs, it's whey protein. You might have heard about whey before, but did you know that scientists at McMaster University discovered that older adults consuming whey protein gained twice as much muscle as those eating eggs? And it wasn't because they ate more, it's because of how whey works inside your body. Here's the thing. As you age, your muscles don't respond to protein as quickly as they did when you were younger. After 70, your muscles need a quick rush of amino acids to trigger muscle growth. Whey provides this rush in about an hour, while eggs can take 3 to 4 hours to break down, meaning your muscles have already missed their growth window by the time eggs are ready to act. Leucine, the star amino acid in whey, flips the switch that kicks muscle building into gear. A single serving of eggs contains about 1.3 grams of leucine, but whey protein delivers up to 2.5 grams of leucine. To hit the muscle-building sweet spot for those over 70, you need about 3 grams of leucine at once. That means you would need 5 eggs to do the job of just 1.5 scoops of whey protein. But whey doesn't stop there. It also contains isoleucine and valine, 2 other branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, that provide energy to muscles and prevent them from breaking down during physical activity. These BCAAs are essential for seniors who need to preserve their muscle mass as much as possible. And here's something most people don't know. Whey contains immunoglobulins, natural antibodies that calm gut inflammation, a common issue for older adults. Gut inflammation often blocks protein absorption, and whey helps fight that issue directly. Not only that, but whey contains glycomacropeptide, which boosts a hormone that controls appetite while making your cells more responsive to insulin. This means that with better insulin response, the protein you consume actually makes its way into your muscles instead of being stored as fat. For those of you who are lactose sensitive, whey isolate is a great option since almost all the lactose is removed. If you're not lactose intolerant, whey concentrate gives you extra immune-boosting compounds. Whey protein isn't just a supplement, it's a muscle-building powerhouse that can help you build strength even when age is working against you. Number 2, cottage cheese. If you've been looking for a protein that works while you sleep, look no further than cottage cheese. It's not just a bedtime snack, it's a muscle-building superfood. You see, cottage cheese is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that breaks down gradually in your stomach. This allows your body to release amino acids over 6 to 8 hours, giving your muscles a steady supply of protein throughout the night. Researchers in the Netherlands found that when seniors consumed cottage cheese before bed, their bodies continued producing muscle protein while they slept. It's like flipping a muscle protection switch while you rest. As you get older, muscle breakdown happens faster, especially during sleep. Cottage cheese helps prevent this breakdown by feeding your muscles the nutrients they need for recovery. Nutritionally, 1 cup of cottage cheese covers nearly 90% of your selenium needs, which is essential for maintaining muscle strength. Low selenium levels have been linked to fatigue and muscle weakness, making it vital to get enough in your diet. Cottage cheese also provides calcium, which is essential for muscle contractions, and vitamin B12, which helps your body use protein effectively. It's an excellent source of phosphorus, a mineral that fuels ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy that powers every muscle fiber in your body. Beyond the nutrients, cottage cheese is soft, easy to digest, and requires no cooking, making it perfect for seniors who have difficulty chewing or who have reduced stomach acid. Here's a trick. You can even pair it with flax seeds, walnuts, or honey for added nutrition and flavor. A lot of people even freeze it for a healthy, creamy, protein-packed ice cream. So, whether you're mixing it with your favorite toppings or eating it plain, cottage cheese offers your muscles a slow and steady protein release to keep them strong and nourished through the night. Number 1. Seitan. It's time for the big reveal, and trust me, this one's going to shock you. You may have heard of seitan before, but did you know that it's one of the most protein-packed foods you can eat? That's right, seitan, also known as wheat meat, is made from vital wheat gluten and is packed with protein. Just 100 grams gives you a whopping 39 grams of protein. To put that in perspective, seitan contains more protein than some of the richest cuts of beef. And the best part? You get all that protein without the downsides of animal foods. No heavy saturated fats, no bloating, and none of the inflammatory effects of red meat. What makes seitan especially valuable for seniors is how easy it is to digest. When wheat is processed into seitan, most of the starch and fiber are stripped away, leaving behind a dense, concentrated protein that your body absorbs quickly. And when you're over 60, digestion naturally slows down, making it harder to absorb nutrients. Seitan is a major win because your body can process it without difficulty. In fact, a study published in 2022 found that seniors who ate plant-based proteins like seitan preserved 21% more lean muscle than those on a traditional mixed diet. Not only is it filling, but it directly supports muscle maintenance. Seitan is also naturally low in fat and carbs, making it an excellent option for anyone managing diabetes, high cholesterol, or trying to maintain a healthy weight. You get all the muscle-building benefits of protein without the extra fat and sugar. And here's where seitan really shines. It's versatile. You can slice it into stir fries, sear it with garlic and olive oil, grill it into smoky strips, or marinate and roast it for a BBQ-style dish. Seitan is like the plant-based alternative to meat, with all the meaty texture and protein, but none of the negative side effects. Plus, it's rich in iron, which is better absorbed when paired with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers, broccoli, or kale. This simple pairing turns seitan into an even stronger ally for muscle health and energy. Conclusion: these 6 protein sources, lentils, hemp seeds, wild salmon, whey protein, cottage cheese, and seitan, are not just alternative options to eggs. They're game changers. Muscle loss doesn't have to be your fate after 70. With the right proteins, your body can continue to repair, rebuild, and stay strong. Just like that 88-year-old man who went from struggling to stand to walking in the park every morning, you can reclaim your strength and vitality. If you found this video helpful and are ready to try these muscle-boosting proteins, do me a favor and hit that like button. Let me know which protein you're most excited to try first in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. You'll get more tips like this to help you live your healthiest, strongest life as you age. Thank you for watching. Stay strong no matter your age.